In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Google Drive folder. We'll use a simple download and upload method that creates a clean duplicate of an entire folder, including all its subfolders and files, right back into your drive. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the top right corner, click the grid icon, the 9 small dots that open the Google Apps menu. From there, choose Drive to open your My Drive. Give the page a second to load your files and folders so everything is visible. Find the folder you want to copy. Click it once to select it, then look at the toolbar along the top of Drive and choose the download icon. Drive will prepare the folder by compressing it into a single zip file. Depending on the size and number of files, this may take a moment. You'll see the download begin in your browser, and you can keep working while it finishes, but don't close the browser until the download completes. When the download is done, open the zip file from your downloads. Next, right-click the zip and choose Extract All. A small window will appear asking where to put the extracted files. Confirm the location, then click Extract. The unzipped folder will appear in that location with the same internal structure as the original, which is exactly what we want for a proper copy. Make sure you have enough local storage for the extraction, especially if the folder is large. Now return to Google Drive in your browser. In the upper left, click New and then select Folder Upload. Your computer's file picker will open. Navigate to the extracted folder you just created, select it, and click Upload. Drive will show an upload status in the bottom right corner, listing files as they go up. You can continue browsing Drive while this runs, but keep the tab open. If you're prompted about uploading subfolders and files, confirm to proceed. Once the upload completes, you'll have a new copy of that folder in your drive. It will mirror the original folder's layout and contents. If you need to distinguish it from the original later, you can rename the uploaded folder in Drive. Keep an eye on your storage quota since duplicates take additional space, and remember that upload time depends on your internet speed and the size of the folder. That's it. You downloaded the folder as a zip, extracted it locally, and uploaded the extracted folder back to Drive, giving you a reliable, full copy in just a few minutes.